ready to uncover a heritage that echoes through generations. Let's explore. The Serbian Chetnik Association, or SCA, isn't just an organization, it's a movement. From Sydney to Melbourne, Adelaide to Hobart, we're growing, connecting and preserving the rich tapestry of Serbian culture. Our mission? To make the Serbian Chetnik legacy not just known but deeply felt by every new generation. We're talking about stories of bravery, unity and heritage. With each event, each gathering and each story shared, we're weaving a stronger bond within the Serbian community and beyond. It's about keeping traditions alive and relevant in modern Australia. So whether you're in Canberra or the heart of Sydney, there's a place for you in the SCA family. Together we can ensure that the spirit of the Chetniks continues to inspire and thrive. Join us and be a part of something greater. Let's preserve our past to empower our future. Discover the Serbian Chetnik legacy with SCA today, because heritage matters.